This is high-speed portable coin counting machine that can count 1800 coins per minute. A specially designed football training system that is useful for beginners. A wood log fastened on tire rim helps a tractor to come out from swamp. Hydraulic powered weeder that helps to remove unwanted grass between the plants. Sand and dust affects the power generation from solar, so here is robot for better cleaning that saves water. Crazy people have crazy ideas. Look at solar powered fan that cools a working man. Grain suction machine is special equipment for grain collection and loading. Its conveying pipe can be customized up to 15 meter. These underwater lawn movers are making rivers and lakes cleaner by removing weeds and trash. A stone is being cut into a round shape and converted into a flower pot. This video explains the strength of a helmet. Always wear helmet according to your country's safety standard. To mark different traffic lines on road surface, this road marking machine uses thermoplastic paint. Water jet machining is CNC cutting process in which high PSI pressure is used to cut materials and create 3D parts. In olden times, sand was used to create a mold. Fill the mold cavity with molten metal. After cool down, structure is ready. Motor operated weeder help you out for tilling the soil and makes it ideal for planting purpose. A small experimental equipment can crush the cans. In olden times, wooden tires were made in this way that were used as wheels. Gas-operated cutter that can cut long branches of wood into smaller pieces. An electromagnet lifting machine can load or unload 100 kg of scrap metal at once. This is clothes hanger making machine which use a metal wire that is formed into a hanger. Be familiar with the laws of physics and relate to them. Otherwise, here is the result. It's rotatable cooking and serving system through which it's easy to cook and serve food. A metal punching machine uses hydraulic pressure that can cut metal sheet to desired shape. Before rice plantation, it's necessary to use land leveler. This single one can replace many tools. Now open any size nut bolt with this DIY tool. These are different methods to separate peanut from peanut plants. This is small but useful machine that is used for harvesting onion crop. Flexible sledgehammer are used to reduce the shock on your hands and provides better force. To enhance the water flow, it's necessary to cut weed and grass. This machine does this job very well. Wire cut bricks are made by slicing clay using a wire tool. After cutting, these bricks are baked into fire. For land clearing, this excavator machine can cut and shred tree into small pieces within seconds. It's the best idea to peel off hard shell of nuts with its safety. Grain suction makes easier loading. This baggage needs to fill with grain and machine sucks and loads into truck. The crop is being laid aside so that there is not much damage while harvesting. A small but handy tool that is useful for separating groundnut kernel by rubbing it. Hydraulic powered metal splitter that can split metal part into pieces. Mind blown creativity that is on next level. Look at this concrete lifting arrangement. It is easier to chop the wooden sticks into small pieces by pouring them into a mold. This is smart plastering machine that does not require punching ribs. This machine automatic levels and sprays to ensure addition. Multiple sprayers equipped on single machine can spray pesticides on citrus fruit. Gloves are dipped into a rubber solvent to make it electric shock proof. A uniform practice of laying bricks makes perfect with both hands. Concrete pump makes the construction work easier by transferring liquid concrete to workspace. It's amazing, this dog can open the water tap to drink water by itself. Very few people can play such a talent. See how the spade is being floating on water. This is the old rice milling machine which is used by small farmers or tribal peoples. 3D printing concrete seems a futuristic technology which can create a house structure in 48 hours. It's much easier to bend a red hot iron because it becomes more ductile. Two different arms works as automatic pan stirrer which prevents burning of food. This is gas-powered hedge trimmer with adjustable size. If you love gardening, then this is must-have thing. This power tiller removes unwanted grass from multiple angles.